Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Crown Lounge. So, right now, Old Fashions are probably one of the hottest bourbon drinks there is going right now, right? So let's say you're not a bourbon guy, but you want to try an Old Fashioned. So what we're going to do today is make you a rum Old Fashioned, right? So what I have is some Bacardi Reserva Limitada. I don't speak Spanish like that. Un poquito. So this is a Puerto Rican rum. I bought this at the Bacardi factory in Puerto Rico 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years ago. I don't know what makes it special besides how much it cost. It has a pretty cool box it came in also. But anyway, I think if you're going to do an old fashioned, might as well use a high quality rum. You use whatever rum you want to, but I'm going to go with the Bacardi. All right. First, we're going to go 2 ounces of rum. Next, we're going to use 1 teaspoon of allspice dram. Right, this is allspice like the spice, right? It smells just like some allspice, right? We're going to go 1 teaspoon. Of the allspice dram, right? Next, we're going to use some Demerara syrup. Demerara syrup. It's a darker, simple syrup. You can look it up. But here you go. You do 1 teaspoon of the syrup. We're going to go next with 2 dashes of an orange bitter. 1, 2. And 2 dashes of your aromatic bitters. 1, 2. Give that just a quick little stir. Now I'm going to stir it with some ice to chill it a little bit. Just like with a regular old fashioned, we're going to pour it over into a rocks glass. That would be the wrong size. That won't fit. These are just some dehydrated blood oranges. I mean, I already put orange bitter in there, so spritzing it I think would be an overkill with an orange peel. But anywho, cheers. We have a rum old fashioned. Again, if you're not a bourbon drinker, this is a really good alternative, right? I mean, first you got to find the allspice dram, which Total Wine is where I got it from. And a lot of places have Total Wines now. They're kind of everywhere. But that, I think, is what makes it. And the richness of this Demerara syrup also helps out, because you can taste all of this comes together really, really well. Again, if you don't like bourbon or whiskeys or ryes, if you're not a whiskey person and you like rums, this right here is a very good alternative to have your old fashioned with your friends when they're having their regular old fashioned. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, share. All right, till next time. Cheers.